Hi, good morning, dear students. I am your history teacher. Due to the pandemic situation being faced by our country, the teachers of Nasrat Home have decided to conduct online classes, expecting your complete cooperation. You have completed your 8th standard and now we are moving to the ninth standard portion. The first section of our class is the Harappan civilization. What is civilization? Civilization is said to be an advanced stage of human cultural development. What is civilization? Civilization is said to be an advanced stage of human cultural development. What are the important traits of civilization that you have to study one by one? Evolution of cities, surplus food, division of labor, system of writing and public buildings and development of technology. What are the some of the important traits? What are the traits? What are the marks of civilization? Evolution of cities, surplus food, division of labor, system of writing, public buildings, and development of technology. These are the important traits of civilization. The period between, you can see the period between 4000 and 3000 BC. So, remarkable progress in the development of human being. What are the remarkable progress? He took to agriculture and made efficient tools and started living a settled life on the banks of the rivers during the Neolithic period that we studied in the 8th standard. The river valleys had the agricultural potential to support a dense population and potential to, produce surplus food. So, the surplus food, the production of surplus food helped them to develop trade. These are the important gradual process of development during the period between 4000 BC to 3000 BC. And the people, those who started to settle down on the banks of the rivers, caused for the formation of Bronze Age civilizations. During the Paleolithic period, people started to use stone tools. During the Neolithic period, people started to use the tools that made by iron and other metals. That you can see from using stone tools, man gradually came to know the use of metals. Metals were more durable than stone and could be used for making a variety of tools. Metals are more durable than stone, that is why they could make tools and implements and weapons. They are very stronger than the stone tools. That is that help them to cultivate very easily. The first metal to be discovered was copper. Very important question. Which was the first metal to be discovered by human being? It was copper. For a long time that stone implements continued to be used along with the copper. This period is known as Chalcolithic period. Man used copper with stone tools with copper. This period known as Chalcolithic period. Later the Chalcolithic period, the man tried to use mix with two metals, that tin or zinc with the copper. Man tried to use after the Chalcolithic period. Man tried to mix with the copper and tin or zinc. That period known as bronze. That Bronze Age period. Bronze is hard. What is the use of bronze? Bronze is harder and more ductile than copper and is therefore more suitable for the manufacture of tools and weapons. So, bronze is more harder and ductile. That is why it is very useful for the making of weapons. That period known as Bronze Age period. And during this Bronze Age period, the most important period in the human history. What is the importance? During this period, so many civilizations were emerged on the on all over the world. The most important among the mainly four important civilizations that you can see in between the period of 2500 BC, four Bronze Age civilizations were emerged. Which are they? The Harappan civilization on the banks of the river Indus, in northern and western parts of India and Pakistan. The Mesopotamian civilization on the banks of the river Euphrates and Tigris in modern Iraq, and the Chinese civilization on the banks of the river Huanghe and Yangtze, and the Egyptian civilization on the banks of the river Nile. These are the four important civilizations that emerged during the Bronze Age. They were known as Bronze Age civilization. The Harappan civilization, you can see the discovery of Indus Valley civilization in the 20th century was an important event in the history of India. What is the reason? During that time, people believed that the history of India started after the arrival of Aryans. But we could analyze, the historians then find it out, the history of India started from 2500 BC onwards on the banks of Indus. That was known as Harappan civilization. Just like other civilizations that emerged all over India, Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, and Chinese civilization. The Indus Valley civilization is best known for as Harappan culture or Harappan civilization. What is Indus Valley civilization, otherwise known as Harappan civilization or Harappan culture? The term culture is used by the archaeologists for a group of objects distinctive in style that are usually found together with a specific geographical area and period of time. In the case of Harappan culture, the distinct objects are seals. What are the distinct objects that find out from Harappan civilization? They were seals, weights, stone blades, and baked bricks, etc. It is also called a Harappan civilization because, what was the reason? The Indus Valley civilization also called as Harappan civilization. What was the reason? Because Harappa was the first site discovered by Dayaram Sahini in 1921. That is why it is known as Harappan civilization. On the banks of the river Indus of West Punjab in Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro, another site, it was discovered by R.D. Banerjee in 1922 was Mohenjo-daro. These two sites are most important sites discovered during this period. 1921 Harappa and 1922 Mohenjo-daro. What are the sources that give us information about Indus Valley civilization? There are so many sources are there. First one, you can see the Great Bath. Second one, the Citadel. Third point, the seals. Fourth, bearded man. Fifth, dancing girl. And sixth, dockyard. And seventh, the script. These are the sources of information. We get information about Harappan civilization from these sources. Which are the sources? The Great Bath, the Citadel, seals, bearded man, dancing girl, dockyard, and the script. What do you know about the most important site that find out from Mohenjo-daro? It was the Great Bath. What do you know about Great Bath? It was the largest public buildings at Mohenjo-daro. It was a large rectangular tank in a courtyard surrounded by a corridor on all four sides. Figure you can see the Great Bath that find out from Mohenjo-daro. and they are surrounded by a corridor on all four sides. There are two flights of steps on the north and the other in the south, leading into the tank. To make a pool watertight, they used burnt bricks and mortar lined with bitumen and gypsum were used for construction. The water for both was provided by a well in an adjacent room. Water provided to this tank from a well in an adjacent room. Surrounding the bath were portions and sets of rooms. Historians find these sets of rooms are used for changing dresses, and some historians thought that these rooms are provided for the members of some kind of priesthood, whereas others think that these rooms were provided for changing clothes. So, all these features show the distinctive feature of their architectural skills. Has led scholars to suggest what that it was meant for some kind of ritual bath. Mainly, they thought that the Harappan people gave much more importance to their sanitization and their kind of ritual bath. They were the higher class people, and they used this great bath for their ritual bath. What are the important significance of a great bath? The first one, the construction of great bath indicates that art of building had reached a high degree of perfection during that time. Art of building that reached a high degree of perfection. Second one, there existed a ruling class that could mobilize labor, collect taxes, and build such a huge structure. And third point, most of the scholars agree that the great bath might have been used for religious purposes. And fourth point, they used water supply and sewage disposal. The design of great bath portrays efficient planning in the structural features relating to water supply and sewage disposal. So, first sources, great bath. Second source, the citadel. The citadel is located is mainly a raised platform and was called as a citadel. It owed its height on the buildings constructed on mud brick platforms. The citadel, the houses of ruling classes. Mainly we have to identify the citadel is the place where the houses of ruling class was found out. The important buildings like the Great Bath, Granary, Assembly Hall. These are the important buildings and find out from the Mohenjo-daro. Mainly the Great Bath, Granary and Assembly Hall also found in this region, in this citadel. Mainly the Harappan civilization was an urban civilization. Civilizations, and the mainly urban civilization means they gave much more importance to urbanization. The presence of specific buildings and houses of the ruling class indicates some sort of social classification. There existed. Two type of people, the one who lived in the citadel, raised platform, and others in the down platform. That is, there existed a social classification. Then third source was seals. It's from the Indus Valley area. The sites, about 2000 seals have been discovered. Of these, great majority comprise short inscriptions and pictures of unhorned bull, buffalo, tiger, goat, elephant, and rhinoceros. The materials they used for the construction of these, for the making of these seals, comprises of terracotta, steatite, agate. Most of these seals were rectangular in shape, square shape, and some are in circular shape. Rectangular shape, square shape, and some are in circular shape. So, the main the seal that was found out from Harappa was the seals of Pashupati. To show that, just like modern Shiva, show that people believed in Shiva. It shows a three-faced deity wearing a buffalo horn headdress and seated cross-legged on a throne and surrounded by an elephant, a tiger, a buffalo and rhinoceros, which are the animals by an elephant, tiger, a buffalo and a rhinoceros with the two deer. You can see the picture of seals of Pashupati and unicorn seal. And these are the at his feet. The deity has been identified as Pashupati Mahadeva. These seals were used by traders in order to trade their goods. What is the use of these seals? Seals were used by the traders to sell their products, and at the same time these kind of seals were found out from different parts of India and other places at Mesopotamia and such regions. It shows the Harappan people maintained or conducted trade relations with such areas. And fourth source, a bearded man. The stone sculpture of a man with a beard was discovered from Mohenjo-daro. You can see the figure. He is just like a yogi. The statue has a shawl worn over the left shoulder. It was the dressing code of clothing system of Harappan civilization. People used a shawl to cover their upper part of the body, shoulder, and the eyes are half closed. Therefore, some scholars believe that this is the statue of a yogi. The sculpture of high artistic value and points of existence, skilled artisans in the Harappan civilization. And the fifth source, dancing girl. You can see the figure of dancing girl, very interesting figure, a bronze statue of a dancing girl found at a Mohenjo-daro. That also find out from Mohenjo-daro. It's a masterpiece of art and it shows a high degree of development in the art of sculpture. The figurine shows, you can see her right arm of dancing girl dressed in the hip and the left arm heavily bangled. It holds a small ball against her left leg. So this also shows their artistic talents. And dockyard, sixth source, dockyard. A rectangular dockyard was discovered from Lothal, Gujarat. It was surrounded a massive brick wall, probably to protect it from the floods. And this dockyard also gives us valuable information about the Harappan civilization. You can see the dockyard from the textbook. That was connected by channels. The Gulf of Campe. Lothal was an important trading and manufacturing center of Indus Valley civilization. And last source, it was a script. The Harappans used a script which is regarded as pictographic script. That Egyptian civilization also has such a type of script. Sumerians also. This pictographic script, some pictures, it indicates some words. Is it? Up to this time, these scripts were not deciphered by anyone. So, the pictographic scripts they used to indicate some important things or read and write. And these scripts between 375 and 400, the number of signs of Harappan, they use some signs to indicate messages, and the script is known to be between 375 and 400. The script is found inscribed on a number of seals. The script could find out a number of seals, copper tools, rims of jars, copper and terracotta tablets, jewelry, and on an ancient signboard. So these are the script they used. And some important sites of Harappa that was discovered. You have to study the important sites mainly. Harappa, it was discovered in 1921 by Dayaram Sahini. Mohenjo-daro 1922, R.D. Banerjee. Lothal 1957, S.R. Rao. Lothal in Gujarat. Surkotada and J.P. Joshi 1972, and Dholavira 1990 and 91, R.S. Bishta. These are the important, we discussed about important sources of Harappan civilization that give us valuable information about Harappan civilization. So today's section is over. Thank you for watching, and in order to get all videos that I upload, you have to subscribe this, like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.